Hmm. So forget all this scam, forget all the what do you call it, all the bad people, forget all this stuff. This is to make you people busy now. Uh, so today when I went there in Chembur East, I saw a DOP was taking a caterpillar shot. Caterpillar यानी नीचे कैमरा रखे he was taking a caterpillar shot and there was something in the foreground and character was standing far away from that subject, whatever the prop was kept. So the director was very clever. She was a female, very clever. She was very clever. She asked the DOP to tilt the camera where the what do you call it? That thing. The prop will also be seen, and that fellow headshot. She needed a headshot. She first zoomed in. She asked the character to stand there. So there should be no shot division in this. In a single shot, she did this. Oh, wonderful shot it was. So he came there, and what do you call it? He gave his expression. She got a head. She got his headshot. Then she informed the DOP to zoom out. He zoomed out. Then she asked the character, "Now come to your prop." He came running. He searched for the prop and he what do you call it? He saw that and he came running towards the camera. The prop was kept in front of the camera. So I said only I'll be there only for one shot. So I saw that. I what do you call it? I gave them my best wishes. They also were very thankful to me. I stood there and I watched that shot. So then I went to my procedure, police procedure, but I kind of feel like I should see that. So uh, after that, I saw she was writing down the shots, which shot she took. Huh? Assistant director was writing it. There was a sound guy as well. Huh? A DOP was there, and there were two more assistants and one director was there, and a artist. So what do you call it? One was writing down the shot 2, shot 3, whatever the shot 34, shot. So it has that's a pattern of working. Hmm? Learn that pattern too. Writing all the shots from every scene. Huh? But my pattern. Look, I am giving you my pattern. You won't get this pattern now. My pattern. Why people like to work with me? I'll give you my pattern. What I do is I see the location first. I make a layout. According to that layout, I go to that location. Okay, this will do. Okay, it's something imaginary. I didn't see the location. It's something imaginary, and I want that location now. So when I get that location, I what do you call it? I start shooting there. Huh? I make a layout over there. Okay, this will be the layout. I take a snap. Hmm? Then for the shots, I read the script. So as if one scene I have to direct. So I draw shot by shot. The character comes here. So it's called storyboard. Small boxes, stick figures, not that artistic thing you need. Use stick figures. So shot by shot, I what do you call it? Do that stuff. And what she was doing, she was she saw the location and everything, and she decided on this one. Let's do it here. She didn't. I didn't see any storyboard. So my pattern is storyboard pattern. So shot by shot, I always draw the storyboard, and below that there will be a call out, or there will be a dialogue written, whatever the dialogue is, blah 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 blah. So that's how my pattern of work is. And now I'll tell you what is the difference between her work and my work. She has to go home. She has to do the complete the shooting first. completely shooting everything. She has written the shot. Now she has to edit. She has to give that stuff to the editor and sit next to the editor. Sit next to the editor, and she has to get it done, edited. Editing has to be done. And here's my pattern now. My pattern of work. My pattern is completely different from that. I got the storyboard, but even after the storyboard, I take more experimental shots. I need more shots. I take more experimental shots. Huh? And editing is done after the entire shoot. But what I do is, entire day's work, I get back at home. I do that. I take those footages. Artists let them release. They let them party. I take all those shots. I what do you call it? I given director's cut. Director's cut. And I below that I write down the what do you call it? What all effect you need. So editor gets that thing. Learn this, learn this. I'm not working. You guys have to. So I used to do this way. So I make a director's cut first. I make a director's cut, then I give it to the editor. Then I don't have to sit next to the editor. In 3-4 sessions, the art material is complete. There might be some changes and all. So in 3-4 sessions, the art material is complete. So that's my pattern of work, storyboards and all this stuff. And that thing, the shots to be written and all this, that's a different pattern. Getting this pattern. So why people want to work with me so badly, and they're what do you call it? So whatever pattern you like, you work, but you work. Shut this thing. I gave you a very wonderful thing. Make a short skit. Take me as a character. I went to the police station. I asked the cop that I missed my phone somewhere. So he asked me, what is your number? He called on my number. And the phone was where? Kept in the, what do you call it? In my bag. So, make it a story. So police officer said, what kind of guy are you? The phone is in your bag and you forgot it. So, sorry officer. Thank you for reminding me. I left my girlfriend 3 days back on a bus stop. I said I was going to pick her, and I have forgot. Do you really think she'll be there? So make such kind of small comic skits and all. Don't take girlfriend, take anything, father or anything. ये कुछ और हो जाएगा. So do one thing, make small skits, then do a storyboard, and then start practicing direction. वो लड़की डायरेक्ट कर रही थी, मस्त कर रही थी, वो बड़े लेवल का काम कर रही थी, वो मालूम है क्या? So do it.